Welcome to channel Mr. Learning. Today I will teach you about how to use data entry form to import information in Microsoft Excel. Now I create a table has 4 columns such as name, sex, birth date, and phone number. Okay already? Normally we input data by typing one by one cell like this. For example, Richard Visky, male, his birth date, and his phone number. One more, Rose Lee, female, her birth date, and her phone number. One more, Liza John, female, her birth date, and her phone number. Now we use other way to input by using form to import data. First, please select the cell, name, and look at the top. We will see form icon. If your computer doesn't have it, you can add by yourself. Just click the small icon of Customer Quick Access toolbar and choose More Commands. Next, look at the Choose Commands form. Please change Popular Commands to Commands Not in the ribbon. Then find and click on Form and click Add button. Finally click OK. It will appear like this. Now we click on the form icon. It shows the data entry form with information from our table. We can find the data by click on Find Previous or Find Next one by one. If we want to add new data, we click on New button and then input your data. For example, Parker Anderson, male, his birth date, and his phone number. After inputted already, we just press key Enter to add data to our table. Here is the new data that we just adding. One more, Bob, male, his birth date, and his phone number, and then Enter. It is okay. We can delete data from our table also by find your data that you want to delete by using Find Previous or Find Next. And then click Delete button. It will remove that data from the table. Actually, we also can revise data in the table by find the data that you want to revise by using Find Next or Find Previous. Then make changing data as you want to change. After changed already, just press key Enter. Is okay. This lesson finished. I think all of you understand the lesson. Any question? Please comment in this video. I will reply you. I will show the good lesson more in the next videos. Thank you for your watching. Goodbye and good luck. See you later.